We're at ToyWorld Napier. I'm on holiday for Easter. Not much on the Hot Wheels pegs. There's a rotating stand here. There's some more pegs down there, just peg warmers after peg warmers. I've already filmed the video for today, but the footage isn't very good, but just recorded an intro now, so roll the footage. Hey guys, we're in ToyWorld, and they've let us look through a case of silhouettes. No Monza, no Skylines, but just quickly go in and grab this one. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Dudes, look at this. Monza. Check these RWBs out, guys. These are sick as.
I want that Monza.
There might be a sale on, but dudes, look at this.
Look, Toby.
Skylines. What?
Jimmy's, don't tell wife next week.
Don't tell wife next week. Don't tell Jimmy's wife. Oh, these are sick as.
And I bought the Corvette in the warehouse just a couple minutes ago. So.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's the Porsche. The sick as one. People don't like this, but it's awesome. So, guys, we got the full silhouette set plus one extra RWB Porsche to crack open because that's too good to keep in the package. One of all the others. I might get an extra Skyline, but there were only two here, so one went to the Kraken.
Yeah, getting
There's
these.
fines there. Go subscribe to the Kraken. Only one Monza per case, which is quite frustrating for some collectors like the Kraken, but he'll get one eventually because it's not worth too much. So look at this, the Skyline Super Silhouette there. Just amazing cars. I'm not really keen on those two, but you know, to complete the set, I'm going to buy it. Hot Wheels knows that, so it's in the set. So thanks everyone so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And a big thanks to ToyWorld Napier. I recommend you go here. It's in New Zealand. Good to get silhouettes. Because I was on holiday, I thought I'd miss out on these, but boom, there we go. Buy one, get one half price.